Without an iota of doubt, the iPhone mirroring is one of the most loved features of macOS Sequoia. While it is pretty easy to set up and use, there are certain functions that are a bit hidden, including the ability to switch apps. So, if you're wondering how to switch between apps with ease in iPhone mirroring, this quick tip is for you. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get started, you have to launch the iPhone mirroring from your Mac's dock. And then you have to authenticate to proceed. And then you have to drag the mouse pointer at the top edge of the screen. Now a hidden slider will pop up with multiple buttons. Now you have to click on the app switcher icon located at the top right corner of the screen. And now you have to swipe left or right to find the app that you want to use. And then you just have to click on the specific app to dive right into it, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can seamlessly switch apps in iPhone mirroring on your Mac in macOS Sequoia or later. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.